oh so silky smooth. I'm back.
It's just you and me.
Hey guys, it's Chadneyb and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since y'all seen me do a wig review, and I am so sorry, but I had to get my life together and I had to get my new space together for you all because it's time for us to up it up some, okay? So they're back. They're back. This bad boy here is so cute. If you're interested in this wig, then stay tuned. Join the pretty girls. I am back on a back. Did y'all miss me? Before we get started, don't judge me. I'm still doing my beauty room, and so I'm waiting for my poster to come for that frame. Just bear with me, okay? Big elephant in the room, I got my teeth done, okay? So if you have not checked that video out, I will link it up at the top and also in the description bar so you can look at that vlog where I went to Santo Domingo to get my teeth done. I will also do a separate video just pertaining to my teeth, but let's go ahead and get out the way. Yes, sis got a bag and fixed her teeth. Everything is, I missed y'all. Whatever, let me stop talking, I'm talking too much. So this hair was sent to me by Pearltresses. They did reach out to me for a review, so I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be back, okay, in the service. So here are the lashes that they sent. It is a cute little brush up here at the top. There is a nude wig cap that she also sent. Also, there is a wig grip, which I've been wanting one of these, y'all. So kudos to the wig grip girl, because I needed it. There's a baby hair brush and comb. Y'all know we need those in our lives. Okay, so let's get down to the nitty gritty, which is the wig. Ciao. The wig. So here is the wig. As you can see, what they call this, balayage or something, y'all? What is it called? I don't know, but it's cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the construction of the cap, because that's what we worried about, sis. That's why you clicked on this video, right? The construction of the cap, there are 2 combs in the front, no combs in the back, but there is adjustable straps in the back. Boop. Of course, it's your standard wig cap. I think they have like that balding kind of fake scalp. And then here is a little bit of lace. They said, girl, we're not gonna give you all that lace. So this is how wide the lace is on the actual unit, which for some may be a good thing, because some people, not everybody knows how to cut the lace from ear to ear and all that kind of stuff. So if that's you and you ain't got time for it, sis, clip it off and go on about your business. Let's put this bad boy on before we cut the lace and see what she's looking like naturally, just lapping that mug on. I got my Cleo braids going on. All right, so girl, these combs ain't catching these Leo braids. I mean, this comb was not catching these Cleo braids, baby. Ooh, this made for me. Ooh, honey, it's almost ripped my lash off. You see, this is as much space as you're gonna get. This is the parting space. Here is the hairline with my naps. This is all the cap. This is no lace right here. This is how the hair is looking right out of the packaging. Let's go ahead and try to customize this top. We may have to spray some dry shampoo. Some people use baby lotion. Who finna put baby lotion on the wig looking like a wet dog? Not us, sis, not us. Some people put baby powder in there. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. I forgot to try the Wig Grill. So let's go ahead and put it back on now and see what it does. Was I supposed to put it up that far, y'all? Or do I need to scoot it back some? So it makes the wig a little bit more snug on my head. I think I like her. I'm gonna take my EBIN. Where you at, girl? Where you at? So here's the EBIN. As you can see, it's showing like $2.99. Sis, go to your local beauty store and get you some edge control. I am not the queen of baby hair. I be trying to wear it, but I ain't the queen of baby hair because sometimes it just be lifting up. So I'm gonna cut just a little bit of baby hair out. I'm gonna put a little bit of my wax on there. This is EBIN as well, sis. I'm gonna tell you how the baby hairs do. No. So That's as much as we gonna get with the baby hair. You can't even see the baby hair, honey. I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just going to try my best to lay it down. And when you put heat on these wigs, guys, you literally want it to be on the lowest setting possible. You're gonna melt your, not melt your lace, you're gonna melt the wig. Do you hear me? Because I did that the other day with my wig at my family reunion, guys. Came straight out in my hand. Came straight out in my hand. Okay, so let's go ahead and comb this out. I am a little worried about combing her just because, you know, she is on the curly side and she is synthetic. It is tangling up on me just a little bit. It has a little bit of kinks. I don't have any shedding as of yet, but I do have some tangles. I've got just a few hairs, but out of the detangling, I would expect a whole lot more shedding out of this. Oh, it is so pretty. Like, it is so freaking pretty. I love this. I love this money piece because this is the money piece. This is the frame. I am 5'4", so it's coming here. Girl, my rose is back there. Them back fat is back there, girl, but here is the back and the back fat. Now it's time to get into the Q&A about this wig. A lot of you may have certain other questions that I have not answered yet, so let's get down to the nitty gritty. We are in summer season, which means that it is burning up, okay? It's burning the hell up. I am in Houston, Texas, and baby, it feels like a little desert. Not like a river, but a desert. Would I wear this out in the summer? Yes, I definitely would. This is the perfect color for summertime. It's the perfect like beach wave for a vacation, a trip. I do feel like it is going to be good summer hair. Not just because of the style, for one, because it's giving summer beach vibe, but because it's not heavy. I don't feel like as soon as I get outside, I'm gonna wanna go ahead and take this off when I get in a car. Is it itchy? You know how some hair is like really coarse to where it's uncomfortable. It'd be itching your neck and your face and honey, sticking you through your shirt and things of that sort. It doesn't give me that. It doesn't give me that at all. How does the hair feel? It feels like a good mixture of silky and yucky. Does it tangle? This hair is not tangling as of yet. Now at the ends, when I was trying to comb it, it was giving me a few snags, but it is not tangling as of yet. After a lot of use of wearing this though, I do feel like the ends are going to probably get a little thick on you and tangle just a bit, because what all synthetic units, especially wavy or curly, is going to tangle. It's not tangling bad, but it is giving me those flyaways. So you see here, that's what I mean about being stringy. You know, like if you got lipstick on, if you got like makeup or long lashes or whatever, baby, you gonna be caught up in this thing like a web or like a web. Let me see what's up with this mousse, girl. Yeah, it definitely is working. So yeah, if you get you some mousse, it definitely helped out so much better. So much better. It was stringy, but I did put some mousse on it and it did calm it down. So that's a plus and that's a kudos. We'll move on to the next question. Does it shed? I did cut the lace. Of course, you know it's not enough lace to really like make a difference with a lot of like shedding or anything. I did cut a little bit of baby hair because it was not provided. So of course in that manner, hair did come out. But when I brushed the ends of this hair, I only got like 1 or 2 strands. Again, depending on how you're wearing this hair, that may change. Is it shiny? If so, how can you make it realistic? When I did pull it out the bag, it did give me a little shine. It didn't give me so glow, but it gave me a little shine. Such a so glow. Give me oh so silky smooth. So I purchased this little dry shampoo from Miss A. I think it was like, yeah, it's $1.88 for this dry shampoo. Only thing you need to do is just kind of do it like that. I mean, you know, not get it in your mouth, but do it like that. It gives you enough shine to make it look like it's healthy hair, but it doesn't give you wiggy wig. Next question. Do I see the lace lifting or the baby hair lifting? Now, of course, you know, there was only about this much of lace, so you wouldn't have to worry about the lace lifting unless you left a little bit of lace on here and you were trying to spray it down with the to be glued. I wouldn't suggest it. I don't think you need it for this type of wig. So I don't see that the lace is actually going to come up because I cut it all off. As far as the baby hairs, I've talked to you about the baby hairs before. There was no baby hairs coming with this wig, so I had to cut some from the actual hair that is on the wig. And in that sense, it is not wanting to, I mean, it's still laying down right now, but it's not going to give me no full snatched baby hair look going around my head. I just do see that it's probably going to lift up. Is it a blendable scalp? It didn't take me long to blend it. I mean, I didn't need to pluck it or anything of that sort. I just put a little bit of concealer on there, which you already know that's what we do. This is like the least amount of manipulation that you would need to do to a wig. It's super beginner friendly, big head friendly or not. I got a pretty big head and I have the grip. Y'all saw me put the grip on, and I have my braids under here. My head is pretty comfy. It is big head friendly. I mean, it's snug on my head. It's not tight on my head, but it is snug on my head. So I feel like it's big head friendly, sis, because I got a big head. Okay, moving on. I will link the price of this wig and the direct link of where you can purchase this wig. So let's go ahead and go over my thoughts really quick. What I do like about it, I love the color of this wig. I love the ombre effect of this wig. It's still hot outside and I feel like you can really rock this through vacation or back to school or a wedding or whatever that may be going on. I do like the fact that with the lace, it wasn't that much to cut off. I slapped that bad boy on, honey, put a little bit of concealer. I love the ease of this wig. If you don't know about plucking, if you don't know about melting lace, if you don't know about curling hair, if you don't know about ombre and real bundles, like this is a good stylish wig that you can still wear and rock. It looks presentable, it looks realistic, and you can make it your own without having to do a lot of work. So I do like that as well. Now my cons is that the baby hairs, it doesn't come with any type of baby hairs, but some of you may like that because, you know, even doing baby hairs can be a pain in the you know what. It does not come with baby hairs, which is it's okay, but you know, I would prefer it to come with baby hair so I don't have to fake any. The flyaways also how stringy that the wig could get. I don't necessarily like that either, but it could be manipulated if you are putting product on the hair. As far as how shiny it was at the top, I didn't particularly care for that either, but y'all see, these things are things that can be fixed when you are customizing your hair, and it did not take much. So yeah, would I wear this wig out? I'm gonna wear this wig out, sis, and I'm gonna take pictures and y'all gonna see me post them on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me at @BeReal_Chadneyb. That's about it that I have for this wig. If you like this wig, then please comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. Have you purchased this wig before? How long did it hold up for you? What color did you get it in? If you do purchase this wig, make sure you tag me in it so I can repost you on my page. If y'all like it, go get it. Go get it. It's gonna turn some heads for sure. Go get it. Go get it, girl. Link's gonna be down below, okay? So again, thank you for coming to my channel. I want to thank Pearltresses for sending me this wig. Before you go, be sure to subscribe. And also, before you go, remember that I love you. And I want to see you on the next video. So take care of yourself, and I'll do the same. Pinky promise. Until next time. I gotta go.